Namaste. Good morning. Myself Ganesh, social science teacher. Today we learn about class 10th, lesson number 2, ideas of development. What is meant by ideas of development? The meaning of ideas of development, the aspirations of development, the aspirations of the development. Okay, then what is meant by development? Development is nothing but the process of development is known as a development. Here we see the history on time scale. The history on the time scale here 2 lakh year ago, we were hunters and gatherers. See, gradually we we approached with science and technology. See here, after 2 lakh, see here 12,000 years ago, our agriculture was started. When 12,000 years ago. Later, see, when we started industrialization, when we see that industrialization was started, just AD, this is Anno Domini, AD, 400 years ago, the industries were started. That you have to understand. So this is the what is historical time chart of development. That is what is historical chart of development. Now come to here, development goals of different categories. They have given for us. See here, development means what we have understand. The process of development is called as what? Development, we understood here. Next category, development goal. See, different persons, they have different type of goals are there. Different type of aims are there. Okay, different type of aims are there. Now see here, category. A landless labor, imagine a landless labor, he is expecting his goal. What he is expecting in his life? At least he is expecting more days of work. He is seeking work for wages. So at least he is expecting that if he gets the work, okay, he feel happy. That is his aim. Imagine, see here. See, next he is expecting better wages. At least he is expecting better wages. So what is his aim? What is his development? According to his view, his development is he has to get regular work for wages. That you have to understand. Next, suppose if you are going to compare with other person, that is what rich farmers. Suppose rich farmers are there. What he is expecting? What is his goal? See, he is expecting higher support price for his crops. He is expecting what? He is expecting higher support price for his crops. See how much difference, how much variation is there among them. See, among these two persons, one landless labor is expecting at least work for food. Next one is what? Rich farmer. A prosperous farmer is development is he is expecting good prices for his production or yielding. Okay. Next one is, suppose if you take a girl from urban family. Okay, how she is? See, she gets as much as freedom as her brother. Okay, how her brother is enjoying the freedom, how he is receiving education in a corporate schools, how he is enjoying like a full of freedom. She also expecting that type of all features, the type of facilities. Okay, now if you compare this girl, if you take another girl in our rural areas, okay, how that girl, what is her aim, what is her goal? See, she is expecting minimum education, that to Telugu medium schools like that. But whereas a girl from urban family, she is expecting corporate education, that to English medium education, and she wants equal opportunities. How her brother is enjoying all that facilities, she also expecting. So this is her goal. So next, somewhere we can see here, somewhere what may be development for one may not be development for others. See, what may be development for one may not, see, suppose what may be development for one may not be development for others. See, imagine development is changing from person to person, person to person. Suppose see what we observed here, a landless laborer is expected at least to work. A rich farmer or a prosperous farmer expected development means what? What he expected? At least a good prices for his crops. One urban child or one urban girl is enjoying equal rights as how her brother is enjoying, she also expecting like that. So when person is changing, okay, the development also changing. Now what the statement here, what may be development for one may not be development for others. Suppose now come to here, now we go with before this one, now just we focus here. Development involves what? Development involves what? You have to focus here. Development involves what? Equality. So development is two types will be materialic development, non-materialic developments. Now focus here. Is it material development? Is it material development? No, it is not material. We could not compare with like it is a object. Just equalization, equality, social justice, equality. Development involves into what are they? See, equality is required, liberty required, security is required, social respect is required, social discrimination should be removed. That one also will be added in development. See, development means generally we compare that one. See, if we gathered much more income, so we can be developed that one. No, not like that. See, I told you that what I said. See, I write here. Development. Suppose development means development seeking two things. One is materialistic things. Non-materialistic. Non-material things. Both will be mixed in a development. So development, when we compare these things, development means materialistic things. Material means what? We can say, we can example here goods. Okay, goods. Some goods. What are the goods are there? How which is there? Some people they are using some cars like that. They are enjoying that ACs like that. Comforts are there. So materials. Non-material things nothing but what is that example here? See here, equality, social equality. Okay, social justice. Okay, next liberty. Okay, liberty. Okay, next see here, security, social. Okay, respect. Social respect is very important. As you know that India contain of social barriers are there. The ladder system, the ladder type of caste system is there. Some people they are discriminated from ancient period onwards. So when we make them development, that is called as what? Development. So development involves materialistic things and as well as non-material things. Now over here, now come to here, what may be development for one that may not be development for others. Suppose you focus here, say Kudam-Kulam nuclear power project. Kudam-Kulam, okay, power project, nuclear power project. This is located at where? Tirunelveli district, Tamil Nadu. Okay, TN. So what is that central government? They made this they made this wonderful power project, but Tamil Nadu people they are protesting. No, we don't want this project. They are protesting. According to government view, what is that? It is a development. According to Tamil local people, they are saying that This is the undeveloped thing. That is undeveloped thing that you have to understand. That is a statement, nicely statement I have given here. See, what may be development for one may not be development for others. So these type of conflicts are going on in our India. So that you have to understand in this lesson. These are the components. What is that? Ideas of development. We continue these things in the next video. Thank you one and all.